Hello guys, once again welcome to Ravi English World. If you really wanna grow yourself in English, so this video is very important for you. Do not skip this video because I will give you very important lesson which will help you to grow in English. Because when I used to learn English, so this skill, this step helped me a lot. I could learn English or I am able to speak in English due to this factor. Because somebody told me or I followed this method and I became or I am able to speak good English. So let's start. This topic is all about thinking. Yes friends, if you are wanting to learn English or if you want to become a good English speaker, so you should think all the things in English. Yes, start thinking all the thing in English. Whatever is running in your mind, just convert those thought into English. Because until you do that work, till then you will not be able to translate, you will not be able to speak English. When I started doing this work, so I was wondering, because I got outstanding result. If you are seeking, I would say like a faster result, so this thought process will give you faster result. Because whenever we think in the mind, whatever we are doing, suppose like we are wanting to say something, we want to say something, few lines to somebody, so just think that you have to translate those lines and you have to speak those lines in English. So how will you speak? So this practice will almost make you perfect, because this all the, I would say like this exercise is very important for learning English. So now I will share with you how to think in English. The first step is that whatever you do morning to evening means daily routine. You can think all your work style, your whatever you are doing, so you can relate and you can convert that into English. Like suppose like I wake up, I sleep, I do yesterday, or you can talk about your past, you can talk about present, and you can talk about future. Because on last video or a few video back, I taught how to give your daily routine. So you can start with daily routine. And suppose you are watching any movie, so just convert that movie in your mind, in your thought process. Because throughout the day, we get so many thoughts. I would say like more than 1 lakh thoughts like come in our mind. So what will happen when we will try to convert that into English? So you will be converting 1 lakh thoughts into English. So it is a wonderful practice to learn English, which I used to do or still I do. Whenever any difficult sentence comes into my mind, so I start converting that into English. If you really seeking wonderful result, some people say like I have been working hard for a long time or I am trying to speak in English but I am unable. I could not become a good English speaker. It is the problem because the people do not think in English. First, today onwards, you will have to change this habit. You will have to think in English. All the thoughts, whatever are coming in your mind, today onwards, take this pledge. Start converting that into English. Then see, after 10 days, 15 days, 20 days, in a 1 month, you will get a drastic change in your English communication, English sentence making process. Because communication starts while converting sentences. When the people are unable to speak, when the person is unable to speak, it means he is lacking the thoughts. He is lacking some, I would say like sentence making process. He doesn't know how to make sentences fast. So if you want to be faster in sentence making, so you will have to generate or you will have to be master in this skill. Because the person is able to think fast, so he will be able to translate the sentences faster. So are you really wanting to learn English? So if you say yes, so today onwards start doing this work and grab this opportunity or work on this skill. Start thinking whatever you are doing, whatever you are doing, you are talking to your mother, your father, your brother, your friend. So start converting those conversation, those thoughts, whatever are coming in your mind, then you will definitely get wonderful result. If you watch interviews, if you watch movie in Hindi, if you watch serials, suppose if you see two people are talking, so start converting those conversation into English. And first, before that, start thinking in English. So that will give you wonderful result. So friends, this trick must help you, or you must follow this trick for getting wonderful result. So friends, it is all about this video, and for more videos you need to subscribe to my channel, because we all will grow if you like my channel. So also leave good comments. So thank you so much. See you soon.